This is a cup of coffee, and for a lot of people, it comes with a side effect. Within minutes of that first sip, they need to poop. So what's actually going on down there? You might assume it's the caffeine, but that's not the full story. Because decaf coffee does the exact same thing. The real trigger starts the moment coffee hits your stomach. It tells your gut to release a hormone called gastrin. Gastrin ramps up the activity in your colon. Your intestinal muscles start squeezing in bigger waves. Scientists call these powerful waves mass movements. They shove everything toward the finish line. Studies show coffee can wake up your colon in just 4 minutes. That's faster than a big meal and almost as strong. But only about 1 in 3 people feel the urge. It likely comes down to your own gut wiring. So if coffee sends you running, you're perfectly normal. Your morning cup is just a wake-up call for both ends.